Hi there, this is a short video to describe how you can take a working document that you might be editing in software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word and then saving it in a PDF to send so that it's in a nice, stable, and accessible format. It's pretty easy. Here's how to do it. You can see this is the sample document that I have been preparing in Google Docs, and typically the way I might share it would be with a link. The problem is maybe not everybody's going to be able to access things, and if they can, it might end up looking a little bit different on their screen than it does here on mine. So the way to make sure that it remains stable is to save it as a PDF. And in Google, the way to do it is use the drop-down menu here under File, Download, and then click PDF Document. And then it should pretty quickly provide you with an exact copy of the document here as a PDF file that you can send as an attachment or upload to any kind of online portal. Then just to see how the same process works, I've already made a copy of this document here so that you can see how this works in Microsoft Word. And the process is pretty similar. I think there's probably more than one way to do this. But the easiest way that I use this is under the File menu up here to actually go under Print. And you'll get different options depending on what kind of printers you have set up. But down here in the bottom left-hand corner, there's this thing that says PDF, and you can say to save as a PDF. And then it gives you the option to just save that document as a PDF and access the file the same way. So I encourage you to think about using PDFs for documents that you might be sending out that you would want to have remain in their original format. So this is especially things like resumes and cover letters, but could also apply to things like reports as well. Hopefully this is useful. Thanks.